Welcome to everybody. Subscribe my channel Learning with me and press the bell icon to get notifications. Today we'll discuss about how to convert the fractions into percentage and percentage into fractions. So how to convert percentage into fractions and fractions into percentage. First of all, percentage into fractions. What do you mean by percentage? Percentage means out of 100 the score is known as percentage. Out of 100 the calculation is known as percentage. So that means if we take suppose AX percentage means equal to X into 1 by 100, that's equal to X by 100. Similarly, if we take one example, so 1% means that's equal to 1 by 100. That means similarly 25% means equal to 25 into 1 by 100, that's equal to 25 1 ja, this is 4 ja, equal to 1 by 4. So 1% equal to 1 by 100, but 25% equal to 1 by 4. Similarly 20% equal to 20 by 100, that's equal to 1 by 5. So to find out the percentage into fractions, the method is that we have to write down that number into 1 by 100. Then by simplifying, in this case example 20% equal to 20 by 100 equal to 1 by 5. This is the method to convert percentage into fractions. But how to convert fractions into percentage? Fractions into percentage. Fractions into percentage. Fractions into percentage. How to convert fractions into percentage? Suppose one fraction is given 3 by 2. 3 by 2 is the fraction, but how to convert it into percentage? 3 by 2 equal to, direct step is that 3 by 2 into 100, that's percentage. So 3 by 2 into 100, that is 2, and 2 5 ja, then 0, then 3 into 50, that's equal to 150 percentage. Similarly, if we take another example, suppose 1 by 4 is how much percentage? So 1 by 4 is how much percentage? That means 1 by 4 equal to 1 by 4 into 100, then percentage. Write it as 1 by 4 into 100, then percentage symbol. Then 4 2 ja 8, then 2 5, 20, 4 5 ja 20, so that's equal to 25 percentage. That's equal to 25 percentage. So that we can remember some of the fractions into percentage. So 1 by 2 equal to 50%. 1 by 3 equal to 33 whole 1 by 3 percentage. Converting by the same procedure, how 1 by 3 equal to 33 whole 1 by 3 percentage? Because 1 by 3 into 100 percentage, that means 100 dividing by 3, so that equal to this one equal to 33 whole 1 by 3 percentage. Similarly 1 by 4 equal to 25%, 1 by 5 equal to 20%, 1 by 6 equal to 16 whole, then 16 whole, how much? 16 whole, 4 by 6 percentage, that's equal to 16 whole 2 by 3 percentage, because 16 into 6, 96 plus 400 by 6, that's equal to, on simplifying, 4 by 6 equal to 2 by 3, so that percentage is 16 whole 2 by 3 percentage. Similarly, 1 by 7 1 by 7 equal to 14 whole 2 by 7 percentage. Applying same procedure, 1 by 6 equal to, 1 by 8 equal to 12 whole 4 by 8, that's equal to 12 whole 1 by 2 percentage. Similarly, 1 by 9 equal to 11 whole 1 by 9 percentage. Then 1 by 10 equal to 10 percentage. So this is the method to how to convert fractions into percentage and percentage into fractions.